Yeah.
Yes, I love this. $1 million, no, $500,000 years.
No, 1.7. It's close to 2.
Nah, I want like 500,000.
Ugh.
You like it?
I'm talking about the toilet. Whoa, shoot. You ain't see that?
I heard it.
No, you didn't. Now,
What's in here?
I don't know, closet, I would assume.
Oh, just the.
Utility.
Oh my gosh, you can hear everything upstairs? I like that. It sounds like they're in the building.
Caught it. Yeah, this is like for a very, 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 very specific buyer. You hear me? I can hear him breathing. So this is just like a player pad.
I like this bed. I don't like it for $2 million, but I do like this bed.
You say you smell weed? This is a different looking kind of kitchen. It's big though.
I dig it. I don't dig it for like a child's house. Like,
It's not for kids.
well, it's kids downstairs. But
Well, we don't. I don't know what theirs look like though.
It's one floor. It's an open floor plan.
You can put walls if you want.
Yeah, but I don't know. Teach his own. But the bathroom has a step up and a step down.
Yeah, you trying to be funny, I see.
I just wanted to make sure you're safe. This will be live for parties and game nights.
Here, hold this. David is calling. Yes, my son.
Our school snacks were really hungry.
Not they acting like they don't got no food. You step up, Mankey, and then you go in. Mm-hmm. What? To the back? Oh, you got it open. Aren't you strong? Oh.
Like I'm just saying, man. This should be like kind of done. 4.7 million. Just the look they going for.
I think this is the look they're going for. I don't I don't see this being a place for children. I just don't. But I do see this being a place for a single person or a couple that's just young, starting out, or older and retired. Like, I don't know. Because the walls are so thin, I can hear everything they're doing in the next floor up.
This is just for like entertainment.
That's what I'm saying. I can hear everything they're doing
Party.
in the next floor up. I can hear them sneeze. I can hear them cough. It's like they're in the next room over. So I wouldn't. Yeah, but I wouldn't want to raise my children here. It would be an inconvenience to other people, and frankly, an inconvenience to me, because I don't want to hear my kids all day and all night. You're saying that, but somebody with children is downstairs.
We don't know how theirs look.
It doesn't matter. You can still hear them very easily, is what I'm saying. You don't hear that? Yeah, we were right. Like, it just, no. You can hear the voices clear, like a clear conversation. It's crazy.
Of the what do you call this place? MGM. This would be one thing I will say. This would be a dog art studio.
Yeah, for sure.
I could do the galleries here. What do you call it? Art shows here. This would be a beautiful art studio.
But I really do like it.
I love it.
Or even for a place that when you want to stay in the city and you don't want to go all the way home, if you stay far away.
I don't like how the entrance is. That's kind of
Now I'm lying?
You be doing that a little bit.
No, you do that. That's it.
Hold on, let me go get the garage right quick. Okay. So this is the storage, I'm assuming, garage. Hold on, let me get the light on. See, only one person using the garage. What you mean? His garage door's over there.
Oh.
There's two of them. No, it's just one actually. So y'all got to use the same door? That's
They got a whole family up in here.
whole family.
Yeah.
Oh, you talking about with the bikes and stuff?
This is not for no family. It's just not.
It is for them.
I guess.
And you got some people, families living in the woods. So you can definitely live in here.
But I bet you they get on nervous nerves when they get in the pool.
You did it on purpose.
Damn, what?
I'm calling a proper authority. So, third floor. Look how big it is. That's not a lot.